3 steps, $20,000 a week. Make money online with affiliate marketing for beginners. The question is, can you really make $20,000 a week with affiliate marketing? The answer is a short yes, you can. There are affiliates that earns a lot more. I am going to show you a 3-step recipe or formula to show you exactly how this is done, so stay with me to the end of this video. At the end of this video, I will also show you how to get free courses to the value of $997. Now, I know that a lot of people are faking their income on videos like this, so I am not going to be boring and show you fake information. Okay, let's climb right in. First, find a great affiliate program for software. Why do I recommend software? Software is a product that when people start using it, they cannot cancel because they need it. It is not something you purchase because you think it is just cool to have. You purchase it because it is cool and you need this tool for your online business. The second thing is, make sure that the great program you found is one with a monthly recurring payment. If you promote software from sites like ClickBank, check to see if the program has a monthly installment. If it does not, then you will only make money on the first sale. What I mean is, if you promote, for example, a fat loss program and you made 10 sales, you will receive commission on those 10 sales only. As for example, $28.53 by 10 equals $285.30. This is all you will get with a program like GrooveFunnels, where you pay a monthly membership fee. For example, if you made 10 sales, you will receive commission on those sales every month as long as those people keep their membership. Every month they pay for their membership, you get paid. The third thing is that most of the vendors on sites like ClickBank, and their vendors, do not always allow you to collect email addresses, and that is one thing that you surely should do to make a success online. Especially if you want to earn a lot of money, with software like GrooveFunnels, which is a funnel building software. For example, you will receive monthly commissions and you can collect email addresses. Collecting email addresses is a critical part of affiliate marketing because each address you collect can give you more monthly income. The average rule of thumb is $100 per email per month. If you have 10,000 email addresses on your list, it means that you can earn an average of $10,000 per month. This is one of the smartest ways you can go about with affiliate marketing. This means that every month, you do not have to start at zero. If you have done your work correctly, then you will get more and more people signing up each month and your income will grow monthly. The third thing is, make sure you understand and know what you are selling. Make sure you will be able to educate your customers on the software you are promoting. What I mean by that is, if you are selling a product, lo and behold, you should know what you are selling, you should understand your product, and you should know why people need it. You should know the pitfalls. You should know the excitements of that product. You should know why will somebody keep on using it. You should know what will cause somebody to quit using it. You will need to educate people on that product, sit down with them and explain the product to them. Teach them how to use it. This is what is going to stop them from canceling the product. You see, if you buy the product yourself, use it yourself, look for and find the pitfalls, the good points, the reason why you might cancel it. Those are the things you need to help your new client with, and he will never cancel. Let's recap. 1. Find a great affiliate program. 2. Making sure that software has a monthly recurring charge. 3. Make sure you understand what you are selling to be able to educate your customers so that they know what they bought. This is super important. Implement these 3 steps and watch your success and income grow month after month. Now, you watched to the end of this video, so, in the description of this video, is a link to a free 28-page PDF for you. I named it the Affiliate Marketer's Toolkit. Inside, you will find info of most of the tools an affiliate marketer will need during his online journey. Some are for free and some you will have to pay for. Also, if you would like to learn affiliate marketing, I have a course for you, the 3-day training. The link is in the description. If you enroll in this 3-day course, send the receipt to my email address, in the description, and I will send you a link to another course, for free today, that comes with live training from the developer, worth $997. You just cannot miss this. I hope you liked this video. The next important thing is to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments and hit the bell so that you will be notified when I post more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.